kitchen? I wonder where everyone hic!
What was that curious noise?
Did the cupboard sneeze? No, it's me. I gotta hic!
Oh, the same noise again.
How do you do it, Seven?
Well, I don't. It just comes hic! But what if they don't stop? It feels so funny inside.
I read about this somewhere. Quick! We must help before he hiccups away. Oops.
I assume that a tiny noise can scare Hiccups. Listen.
Did it hic! Work?
Maybe try drinking this, but lean forward, like this.
Okay, I feel hic! Oops.
Now follow my breathing. Big breath in. And blow it all out.
Do you think hic, hic?
Time for our idea. Quick! Maybe the hiccups won't find you.
Am I safe now? My heart feels jumpy, but maybe if I just wait.
Shh. Maybe it's gone.
No more hic!
Sometimes being calm is the magic trick.
And the quietest cure of all.
Zizzy, today I got these funny jumpy hiccups!
And did you keep them or share them?
My friends tried to help. We tapped, sipped, and bowed, but they finally left when I stayed very still.
Hiccups are tiny surprises inside, my little sprout. Sometimes they leave faster when you stop chasing them.
Wait, I want to show you how I was!
Hic! Hic!
Zizzy, you got the hiccups too! It's funny, even a hiccup can bring us closer.
Hiccup hop,
Hiccup hop,
up it goes.
up it goes.
Little surprise that nobody knows. Hold your breath,
Hold your breath,
count to 3.
count to 3.
Still it pops out, giggling free. Hiccup hop,
Hiccup hop,
bounce and stop.
bounce and stop.
Funny sound you just can't drop. One more hic,
One more hit,
then maybe not.
wait for now.
Wait for it, hiccup pop. Scare it off,
Scare it off,
sip some tea.
sip some tea.
Spin around so carefully, but sometimes hiccups wanna stay. Laugh it out, they'll fade away. Hiccup hop,
Hiccup hop,
bounce and stop.
bounce and stop.
Tiny jumps that make hearts hop. When it's gone,
When it's gone,
give a cheerful clap.
cheerful clap.
Goodbye, little hiccup pop.
Hiccups!